Okay, so we're just checking for any other leaks, the potential leaks that are here. If there are any, if not, we're good. And then want to just cut this out, which I will do that right now. We'll get my cutter. But let me look around, make sure. I remember fixing this a long time ago to when it was leaking, but it looks like it's still holding good. Not holding. You do got a leak right here.
I do.
See it? Right here.
Okay.
So I'll just have to take all that out and put you a new one in. Alright, so we had to take this one out. It's got a crack in it. It's been leaking. So we're taking it out. We're going to have to do it. Alright, so the big part of it is dry fitting everything together, getting all your measurements. And as you can see, all that's measuring out. So now we just got to glue these two pieces together and put it together. And then we just got to glue these two pieces together, and we got rid of the old stuff. All right. Thread on there now. All right, so after reviewing, looking at this a little further, realized the sink joint, the basket, has also got a little problem. After I tried to hook it up, it looked like it wasn't going to hook up right, so I'm going to go ahead and put a new one in. So let's get our plumber's putty. Okay. All right, let's move it. Move that to the side for a minute. Okay, we got plumber's putty here to get out of the way. Alrighty, put him on up. Okay, so we got all this ready. New tailpiece, proper nut, and the hat. All right, and we'll just bring him on up, line him up. There we go. Now that's really good. So, yeah. So now let's tighten him up. Make sure I tighten that just a little bit more. Okay, good. Good and tight. All right, now. For that camera. Let's pop him back off for just a minute. All right, let's put him in. press him down. Okay. Everything's tight. Okay, let's give it a test again. Now we've got everything situated. First, let's remove that old plumber's putty. Okay, get that out of there. That extra. Alright, good. Alright. Brand new. Okay. Oh. Righty then. Okay, here we go. Test. Let's see how we did. Checking for leaks. Running good. Leaks, any leaks? That thing's dry. Alright, looks really good. I don't see no leaks. Everything's holding good like it should. Good. Went out dry. All dry. Yep, that's done. Looks good. Sink is rebuilt. And it's got a, you know, that's a better pipe anyway than this. This is kind of like, really wasn't suitable here. This is better because you can take these in and out. They're standard. All that other stuff was glued in too much. So that's good. All right.